Before a pilot can fly a plane IFR into controlled airspace, they must have a clearance. I've got my clearance, but now I'm under a hold, waiting to be released.
November 67 Lima, sorry about that. I heard runway 04. I did not hear when you'll be ready.
3 minutes, sir, 3 minutes.
November 67 Lima, release for departure. When entering controlled airspace, fly runway heading, climb and maintain 3000. Clearance void if not off in 10 minutes. If not off in 10 minutes, advise me of attention.
Cleared, maintain runway heading to 3000. Need to be off in 10 minutes or advise you of intentions. 6167 Lima.
I'm already on the taxiway and I'm heading down to the run-up area. So I'll be doing my run-up, be adjusting my radios, and then I'll make a call to local traffic before I take the active runway, which in this case is number 4. Here on my run-up, you'll see that I'm looking down at my checklist. I just went through my magnetos.
Claremont County traffic, Skyline 6167 Lima is taking runway 04.
Claremont County traffic 176 Echo, 2 miles out, 45 degrees for downwind, runway 4. Claremont County traffic.
Traffic 2386 Victor, departing the pattern, Susie stop.
So I'm off the runway, staying on runway heading. I'm going to clean up the plane, set the autopilot, and then I'll make my call to Cincinnati departure.
3 miles northeast of Claremont County Airport, maintain VFR, fly heading 230, vector for your approach.
VFR 230, vector for the approach, 18 Victor.
Cincinnati departure, Skyline 6167 Lima at 2100 climbing to 3.
Blue Streak 5370, fly heading 290, vector for your approach, going to maintain 8000. Number 6167 Lima, Cincinnati, approach ident Cincinnati, altimeter 299.7, traffic ahead and to your left. Looks like you're orbiting, altitude indicates 3200.
Cincinnati, good afternoon. Foothills 92 is just out of 1600, climbing 2500 off of Lincoln.
Foothills 92, Cincinnati, approach ident Cincinnati, altimeter 299.7, climb maintain 5000.
97 and 5000, Foothills 92.
Foothills 92, radar contact 2 miles northeast of Lincoln Airport.
Position checks, Foothills 92.
November 67 Lima, radar contact 2 miles northeast of Claremont County Airport, climb maintain 5000.
Climb and maintain 5000 for 67 Lima.
Foothills 92, turn right heading 120.
120 for Foothills 92.
Blue Streak 5370, turn 10 degrees left.
Approach 3 Kilo Delta, looking for lower.
Over 3 Kilo Delta, send and maintain 3000.
Send maintain 3000, 3 Kilo Delta, we have Lincoln Airport in sight.
Over 3 Kilo Delta, clear visual approach, runway 3 right, contact Lincoln Tower 118.7, good day.
Clear for the visual 3 right over to Tower 187, 3 Kilo Delta.
November 67 Lima, proceed direct AKRON Canton Airport.
Direct AKRON Canton for 67 Lima.
Joy to the ears of all IFR pilots. Direct to your final destination. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put them in comments. Please subscribe, please like, and have a great day.